And now for comment of the video. This comment of the video goes to Candy Smith. Candy says, "This is definitely a multi-layered journey. You are very beautiful and I love the way you dress and put your outfits together." Thank you so much, Candy. As you guys can tell, especially with me, this journey is so multi-layered. So there's just so many different avenues and different parts of yourself to explore. And that's one thing about this journey that I can say that I am thankful for. It teaches you to slow down and really look at yourself and get to know yourself. Thank you so much, Candy, for being here. If you're interested in having your comment read as comment of the video on the next video, just make sure to drop a comment in the comment section down below. All right, bye. The most important lesson that I've learned along the way is learning to give myself grace and learning to understand that I am a human being and everything is going to be okay. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, then it's just welcome back. My name is Kelsi, and I have lost a lot of weight using my tool, the gastric sleeve. It's my hope that through these videos you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or that path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. Hello from the car. You guys already know, if you're getting this kind of video, it is definitely going to be a car talk type of video. This video is going to be short and sweet, to the point, and really honest with you guys. You guys know that I have built majority of my following here because I am honest, because I am open, because I am real, and I plan to continue to give that same type of energy to you guys, because that's what I feel like you need, and that's what I need. So as you can see from the title, this video is not going to be as lighthearted or as fun as my other videos, because truth is, I am dealing with something real right now. If this is your first video of mine, I was sleeved on February the 5th, 2021. Since then, I have lost a peak of 115 pounds. My starting weight was 333 pounds, 330 pounds. My post weight, or pre-surgery weight, before I started my pre-op diet, was 333 pounds. So highest weight 330, surgery weight highest weight 333 pounds, surgery weight 330, total loss 115 pounds, and my current weight 225 pounds. I am struggling with regain, and I've gained anywhere between 8 and 9 pounds back. It started with my trip to Vegas, and hang on, let me readjust myself because the lighting's really bad. Hang on. I don't feel like we're going to get any better lighting, so I'm still going to make the video because today is Auntie and Me Day with my niece, and so I want to hurry up and get to her. But as I was saying, it started when I went to Vegas, and when I went to Vegas, I was 217 pounds, which I was okay with a 2-pound fluctuation from the 215, because that happens, and I've learned that throughout my journey, that our weight is going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. That happens, and I'm okay with that. So I get to Vegas, I enjoyed myself, I drank, I ate, a lot of things that I hadn't been eating for a year, and I just really enjoyed myself. When I got back from Vegas, my weight was 220 pounds. So from the time that I left, a week prior, I had gained 3 pounds. I chalked it up to, drinking, eating, just enjoying myself on vacation. And I was like, I'll get it back off. Well, things have kind of progressed, and I have, in essence, gained 9 pounds back. Because this morning, when I stepped on the scale, it was 225 pounds. Y'all, so here is my current weight. We haven't done this in so long. Okay. 225.6. And y'all, I absolutely refuse. I refuse to allow myself to kick myself back down this mountain that I have climbed out of the depths, the pits of hell to get to where I am. And I'm not going to get emotional because this is so preventable. This is so fixable, and I'm not going to allow my mind to tell me that I'm 333 pounds again. I'm not. But I'm so disappointed in myself because, you know, if you don't struggle with the food addiction, you don't know the hold it can have on you. And I know that you guys are going to be like, Kelsi, it's just 9 pounds. You can get that back off with no problem. You know, and I understand that. But the grand scheme of it all is, I've gained 9 pounds. After working my ass off to lose 115 pounds, I gave those 9 pounds away like it was nothing. My job is really stressful at this point. I find myself drinking more than I was, you know, and I just don't want to sabotage myself, because yes, today it's 9 pounds, but I'll wake up a year from now and it'll be 70, and I cannot allow myself to do this to myself again. And you know, and I feel like I want to get to where I'm going. My original post-operative weight goal was 270 pounds. So in essence, I never really met that goal, but I was okay with the weight that I lost. But what I'm not okay with is the scale going up. And I'm not making this video to tell anyone who has struggled with regain that you're a failure, because you're not. We are not failures. We are human beings who have human errors, who have real feelings and emotions, and we cannot operate like robots. But I was giving myself too much leeway, too much pleasure, and feeding into my cravings and addiction way more than I had prior. So I wanted to make this video, and I believe this will go out tomorrow on the 31st of July, because it is my plan, it is my sincere plan, it is my sincere goal to spend the next 30 days with you guys. The next 30 days I want to daily vlog, because I am going to show up for myself the same way that I showed up for myself when I had my surgery. I was out fucking walking every day. I was kicking my own ass. I was holding myself to a standard, and I was being proactive in my weight loss and changing my life. I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of the accomplishment of losing that 115 pounds. But I got a little further to go. So it is my goal to get to 199 pounds. And I know that realistically that's not going to happen in a month. But I want you guys to be there with me for 30 days. I'm going to record, it's going to be vlog style videos where I show you guys the ins, the outs of my day, you know, little snippets, no more than 8 to 10 minutes video, just because I want to check in with you guys and hold myself accountable with you guys. During that 31 day span, I will be doing my weigh-in Wednesday. So I'll be weighing in with you guys to show you guys exactly what my weight is, when it is, you know, when I start. So I'll put my starting weight in this video. I'll put a little clip like I used to do in my retro weigh-in Wednesdays, and we're going to bring those back for the next 30 days. And the reason that I'm bringing those back is because they hold me accountable. They hold me accountable for my actions. They hold me accountable for my choices, because I owe it to you guys, and I owe it most importantly to myself, to give myself that fighting chance. I want to hit 199 pounds. That is a goal of mine. That was a goal of mine when I hit under, you know, when I hit 220 pounds, I was like, oh my God, 20 more pounds and I am at 199 pounds. And it was kind of like I lost that momentum. I lost myself along the way. But when I woke up this morning and I stepped on that scale and it was solidified that I had gained, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and say 10 pounds, because it was like 9 pounds and some ounces. No more. No more will I allow myself to do this to myself. I can't. I can't. And if you're struggling with regain, or if you're struggling in your weight loss process, you guys, this is real. This is the real, this is the raw, this is the uncut. You know, the choices that we make, the decisions that we make, the habits that we cannot break, they can be the cause of our ultimate downfall. And I refuse to fall back into that pit that I have fought my way out of. I refuse. I refuse. I refuse. I refuse. So I hope you guys are ready for this journey with me. You know, the most important lesson that I've learned along the way is learning to give myself grace and learning to understand that I am a human being and everything is going to be okay. And I am not gonna be 330 pounds again. I am not gonna gain 100 pounds. I am not going to allow myself to be that woman again. I can't. I cannot, and I will not. So for the next 30 days, I will be kicking my own ass to get myself at least back down to 215 pounds. And then we'll continue the journey to 199. I love you guys so very much. I look forward to seeing you guys for the month of August and vlogging with you guys for the month of August and sharing my journey with you guys for the month of August. Please be kind to me. I'm already hard on myself. Just remember, I'm a human. So if you have anything that's negative or hurtful to say, keep that to you. Don't kick me when I already kicked myself. I love you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Spend the day with my niece. I haven't got her yet, but I'm on my way to get her. I'm on my way, Chloe. Her name is Clover. But anyways, I'm on my way to get her. And I'm gonna enjoy my day. Thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you guys for sitting in the car with me. Thank you guys for being the best support group, support team, best friend, family member, cousin, sister, mom to me that I could ask for. I love you. You are capable. You are great. You are fantastic. Be good to each other, but most importantly, be good to yourself. One bite at a time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. By the way, if you haven't and you would like to go on this crazy journey with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. Also, if you have not and you would like to, please make sure to head on over to Facebook. Join my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things. Follow me on all my socials because I am active there as well. All right. I'm really gonna get out of here now. Okay, bye.